Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the game build and DLC are current, because missing updates hide new trinkets. Once done, open settings and enable HUD and collectible indicators so you'll see overlays. Next, equip the trinket detection item or light source from your inventory. This increases spawn visibility and reveals subtle glints. Move into the first zone and scan slowly. Don't sprint, because trinkets often spawn near landmarks and under low-contrast surfaces, and you need steady camera work to catch them. Now focus on methodical searching. Sweep your camera in slow arcs while listening for the faint chime that signals a nearby trinket, since audio complements visual cues. Once you hear or glimpse a glint, approach and circle the area. Trinkets hide under foliage, behind crates, or in landmark shadows, where contrast is low. If nothing appears, toggle your detection item off and back on to force a refresh of spawn indicators, and reposition slightly to trigger the item's reveal radius. To finish, approach the visible trinket and press your Interact button. Inventory confirmation should appear, and you can inspect it in collections. If a trinket seems invisible or won't register, fast travel away and return, or relog to force a respawn. These steps reset local spawns. If the problem persists, record the save file slot, exact location, and a screenshot. Then report the bug through the game's feedback tool so developers can patch spawn or visibility issues in future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.